It's the NBA on 2K Sports. This is Kevin Harlan alongside Clark Kellogg and Greg Anthony. DA will join us tonight on the sideline. The fans here in Detroit ready to cheer on their Pistons in this interconference matchup. Down low, here's Stewart.
An unselfish guy who enjoys setting his guys up. Bagley has impressive vision for a big fella.
Plays it up off the glass. You know, the first thing you think of with both these teams, Greg, their athleticism. Some high flyers on the court tonight.
And, Kev, it's not just about the aerial skills, though. There are some guys out there who can flat out wear you down with their ability to run the floor.
And once he got to the 10, I think he was surprised to find himself that wide open.
Well, this early, they should be showing a lot more energy on defense. It's not there.
Now, here's Anderson. Lock at 6. Edwards with it. Now defended by Cunningham. Gobert, no good.
And being that close to the hoop, I thought he had enough room to finish that one. Worked that one inside nicely.
To the paint. Here's Stewart. And the dunk by Stewart.
That's just good fundamentals from Cunningham. When a guy is that open, you got to get it to him.
About a minute and a half through the first quarter.
Well, you look at the counting numbers for Cade Cunningham. He fills up a stat sheet. The key for him moving forward, though, efficiency.
And, guys, he's not an easy man to stop when he's got the rim in his sights.
Never has been, never will be. He is a determined finisher.
And, guys, I like the fact that he chose the one-hand tomahawk slam because you get a little higher when you go off one hand and one foot.
And you talk about Cade's efficiency. Greg, on a struggling team, that can be a challenge.
Yeah, without great shooters around him, he's forced into taking tough shots or turnovers. And as the team improves, though, I think the percentages should come around.
Not sure what the D was doing there. Clearly a breakdown. You can ill afford to give a guy like him that good a look.
Now, here's Stewart. That shot a little beyond his normal range.
And what's interesting about Bagley, I mean, he has solid form as a shooter. The results from distance, though, have been inconsistent.
Hey, you know, I like the competitive spirit, but when you look at it, I think he rushed that three a little bit because he was trying to get back at his opponent.
And just a step ahead of the D in that possession there, making the pass. Nice assist.
So the Timberwolves called their first timeout. Now about 3 minutes gone in the first quarter.
2 minutes remaining in the first. 2 minutes.
Now Edwards. And that one goes long.
Total breakdown from the defense there. I mean, he'll usually take advantage when that's the case.
Last season, Clark, the Timberwolves snapped a 3-year playoff drought.
An important milestone for this squad, Kevin. I mean, it shows they're ready to compete in the postseason. That's huge and speaks to just how far this team has come.